Back here in the wood shop, working on this working table that I've needed for years. Doing this kind of work kneeling on the floor is just a little too rough on old knees and old back. So anyway, I already got the feet for the trestles done and the spans that'll run between them and support a sub platform already done. Those are half lapped. Kind of a half tenon into a half mortise, and that'll be pegged when this thing is ready to be completed. I'm going to need to drill and chisel out mortises for the tenons for the legs, which are here. Now all of these pieces, the feet are 5 inches tall by 30 inches long, and they're ripped out of nominal 2x6, so each one of them was actually 1.5 inch by 5.5 inch now actual dimensions, and I ripped them down to 1.5 inch by 5 inch actual. These boards I ripped again from so-called 2x6s down to 1.5 by 3 inch actuals, so that together they'll form a 3x3 square. Square enough, since I'm going to be making castle joints for the top. That's kind of important. It makes things easy to go into thirds. Just, 1 inch, 1 inch, and 1 inch. When I glue these together, I lined them up very carefully. They're 27 inches long. They'll go into the feet 2 inches. The tendons will be 2 inches deep. So the total height on the table is going to be 30 inches off the floor, which it's pretty good for me, and also gives me plenty of space for accessories, like roll-out tables, whatever. But when making these, the best of my ability, I put the concave to concave on the grain, and I separated the boards out so that no two boards are from the same mother plank, so that should help balance out any irregularities or natural flaws. I also put them bow to bow, so if they were bowed up and bowed down, they're clamped together now, and some of them require a little extra help. Those are 3-inch decking screws with fender washers to apply good clamping force, plus the clamps, and it's all glued together and got good squeeze out all the way around, so there's no question that there's going to be good solid joints. But anyway, everything is being done to just quickly and cheaply balance things out so that it'll be a good sturdy table. It's not meant to be pretty, it's just meant to be functional.